Hello and welcome to Smitty's. Today we are going to try a real world application of a degreaser product that I just had sent to me. A little product called Super Clean. We're going to give this a real world try. We're going to do it on some old chainsaws. So let me show you what we got going on here. So as you see, I collect and repair vintage chainsaws. And one of the things that I need to do very often is to clean them. It's the one chore that we all have to do. No matter how much you want to avoid it, you still have to do it. So today, this is what I got lined up. I got this Poland 245A. We are going to give it a degrease, all the little bits and pieces. This saw is actually going to be modified. I'm going to do something they call porting, and we are going to improve the performance of it. We're just going to spray this one down. We're going to see how good of a job it does on this old barn find crustiness of a chainsaw. So as I'm standing here getting set up to do this project, the neighbor comes up and says, "Hey buddy, would you mind degreasing my grill for me?" He brought part of his grill up for me to do a little degreasing too. So guess what? We are going to degrease my neighbor's grill. This should be interesting. So as I mentioned, we are going to use a product here called Super Clean. I am new to this product. They contacted me and asked me to give it a test and show it on video. So that's what we're going to do. There was no obligation to this. I am doing this at my own free will. I love testing new product. So we're going to give this degreaser, just a Super Clean, a test. So what do you say we get started on this and see what happens? Alrighty. Being the kind of person that I am, I'm not testing it. I'm using it. That's what we usually do in the railroad, right? We test it by using it. So that's what we're doing today. As you see, I only sprayed half of it. So we're going to be able to compare each side. And the same with our grills. I only sprayed half of them. After one application, I flip the handle over to hit the other side, so we'll be able to hit this side next. But this is just one application, and if you know, you saw how nasty it was. I don't think any product could have got that in one application. But so far, I'm happy with the results. Especially this, you can kind of see where I did half of it. You can already see the difference. And the grills, they're a little harder to tell. I can tell a difference, but I don't know if you can. It's just, I think it's because it's all black. Alright, so I am already very pleased with these results. It is coming out very, very nice. So what do you think? Does it work as an effective degreaser? I do. What do you think? Well, everybody, I do believe we have a successful product test here. This, I think, is the one that stands out the most. There's what I did, and there's what it started like. So I do believe this probably shows it more so than anywhere else. What do you think? I even got the serial number here. I couldn't read that before. I didn't even know it was there. Got us some super clean, and that did exactly what it says. Super clean. I would use it again. Here's our grill. Again, I did not do any scrubbing at all. This was just spray on and rinse off. No elbow grease used in this process at all. So those of you who are familiar with the channel, you know that I preach about cleaning your equipment quite often. It helps them stay cooler, it helps them last longer, and it's good practice. It saves you a lot of headache down the road, if you know what I mean. It works exactly as described. So there will be a link in the description to their website. They have a YouTube channel as well. So please go on over there, leave a comment, and let them know I sent you. Alrighty? Please do me that favor. Alrighty? Thanks, and we'll catch you on the next one. Alrighty?